Good afternoon, grade 11. Best of luck for your test. In this test, you will appear for only unit number 8, Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology, and Kinesiology in Sports. You will appear for MCQs as well as 2 marks question in that. Total number of question will be for you 20. Out of 20, you will have 12 question MCQs and 4 questions, 2 marks. So please well prepare it, and it's very simple chapter for you all because we revised twice. In this chapter, today I will brief a little bit so many things because in 30-35 minutes I will not explain everything, but I will explain so many things. You see, our body is a complex of functioning of our various systems. Good working of body consists of the proper functioning of various systems which makes man more efficient. Suppose your all body functions are working properly. Your digest system is working properly, your muscular system is working properly, your respiratory system is working properly, then I would say you are living balanced life. You don't have any diseases, you don't have any problem. So each system, uh, actually, Hindi, you can call me after this lesson and I will explain because this is a protocol. We cannot speak Hindi. No problem. It's very easy for you, and I will explain. Don't worry. And English, is very simple. I'm speaking very simple English in front of you, Harmanpreet. Hai. You can talk to me telephonically also. I will explain. Don't worry. And you are intelligent student. You can understand more. Then you see, in each system consists of various organs. Organ consists of various tissues. I mean, our every system is connected with each other. Our respiratory system is connected with our muscular system, with our heart tissues. Our muscular system is connected with bones. Our bones are connected with tendons. I mean, every system is connected with each other. Just like our body, you see, this is my head office connected with spinal cord through our neck. Then neck is connected with my shoulders as well as my heart. Heart is connected with other muscular system, respiratory system, so many veins in my body. So my every body part is connected, or every body organs is connected with each other. If anyone is not working properly, then I would say my body is not working properly. So, thus the function ability of the body depends upon the efficiency of each cell. And in this chapter, we will, Prabhjit, good afternoon. I think very first time you are coming to us. Muskan Gotra, thank you very much. You are regular students of mine, and we are talking about uh, your, chapter is coming for you in a paper. you are appearing for. So, in this chapter, we will learn the basic working of various systems, the science which deal with the structure and functioning of the body and its relationship with other systems is named as anatomy and physiology. So first of all, we should come to know what is physiology, what is anatomy, as well as what is kinesiology. We should come to know about the meaning of these all. So first of all, anatomy. Anatomy. Uh, yes. MCQs and I think four two marks question you will appear for. Uh, I think 20 marks paper will be there, and you will appear for 12 MCQs as well as four 2 marks question. Don't worry, it's very simple for you. So anatomy, it is a branch of biology which studies in human body structure. The science provides us detail of human structure as well as its interrelation of various parts of body. Then physiology, it is a science which deal with the functioning of various organs or systems, their relationship with other organs and their effects. This is called physiology. Then next one is meaning of kinesiology. Kinesiology is the study of motion. So these are three meaning of that exercise, physiology as well as anatomy and kinesiology. Then next one is we are having main system of human body, just like skeletal system, just like muscular system, just like digestive system, just like our respiratory system, nervous system, glandular systems, then uh, reproductive systems. These are main system of our body. There are various more system also, but these are main system of the body, and every system is connected with each other. Next, we are having importance of anatomy and physiology. What are the importance of anatomy and physiology? Adequate information regarding sports nutrition. Then helpful in specialization field like we can say biomechanics. Then useful in prevention from various sports injuries what wherever we are getting from while playing and all. So we should have good knowledge regarding that. Help to know about chemical changes during exercise. This only we can you know uh, take care whenever we are having knowledge about physiology and anatomy. Then knowledge about anatomical and physiological differences among male and female. Then understanding on the unenvironmental effects of sports persons. Then providing knowledge about various organs in our body. Then providing knowledge about function of various organs of our body. Then first aid helps to choose sports event or game, then improve efficiency of sports performances, then rehabilitation, then importance of kinesiology for game and sports. And as I told you, kinesiology is study of motion. What are the importance of the best performance in sports? Kinesiology and affects systematic and scientific subject. It is also included in the curriculum of physical education and coaching programs. So, what are the benefits of kinesiology? To knowledge about kinesiology is very important in the field of game and sports, and even we can say daily living. So, understand and analyze the movement. Movement is wrong or right. If it is wrong, then we can correct it. Then we can learn basic skills. Then know about interlink between human structure and function. Suppose knowledge regarding public basic principles for avoiding various injuries. Then give knowledge about efficient movement. These are the importance of kinesiology in game and sports. Now next is we are having principles of skeletal system and classification of bones and types of joints. You see, skeletal system consists our bones, our joints, our cartilage, connective tissues, we can say Human skeletal system is made up 213 bones in children and 206 bones in adults, as we discussed so many times. Then function of skeletal system. This is skeletal system, our bones. What is the function of that? Provide support to our body, because without this support we cannot go ahead. Then give shape of the body. Then provide protection. Then movement of the body. Without skeletal system we cannot move ahead. Then store home. Then manufacturer of blood cells. Then repair itself. These are the function of skeletal system in our body. Then next one is, we are having one more thing, act as a lever. This system act as a lever in the body. Then now classification of bones, or I would say types of bones. We are having so many bones in our body. Some bones are very small bones, some bones are medium bones, some bones are very tall bones. Just like we can say long bones, in other words. Long bones, short bones, and flat bone. You see my skull. This is a flat bone. Then short bone, just like our fingers. These are short bones. Long bones, our thigh bones, our this one, these are long bones. So these are the classification of bones in our body. Then irregular bones. Irregular bones always occur in the age of 1 to 4 years. When in childhood, before childhood, I would say. Then uh, regular bones. Regular bones is our bone, just like your bone. Now you are adult. Then we are having bones, types of bones. You can see your book now. This is very simple, because I will not explain briefly today. I have to cover all the chapter today. Then types of joints. You see joints. You see joint. This is a shoulder joints. This is the elbow joint. This is a wrist joint. This is a your finger joint. This is a your thumb joint. This is a neck joint. These are joints. So one are joints those who are immovable. Then slightly movable. Slightly mean our hip joints is slightly movable. Then immovable mean not movable. This is our skull. Skull is not moving. Only neck is moving. With the help of neck, skull is moving. But skull is not moving. Skull is sustained. This is immovable joints. Then freely movement joint. Freely both side. You see shoulder joints freely back side also, front side also. This is freely movable. You see back, front, both side. So these are freely movable joints. Then आगे है हमारा introductions. Now I use Harpreet. I use Hindi. आगे है. You can happy now. Then next one is properties of our muscles, excitabilities, contractibilities, then extensibility and elasticity. Then classification of muscles. Our muscles, you see, beta, those muscles are under our system. I mean, they are under our condition. They are under, we can say, under us. Whatsoever we require, they are doing. Just like involuntary muscles. Then, or we can say smooth muscles, involuntary muscles, and voluntary muscles. Voluntary mean under our system. Then cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are our heart muscles. They are regular working till first breath to last breath. Then involuntary mean they are not under our control. Voluntary, they are under our control. And cardiac muscles are regular worker of the body. Either you are sleeping, either you are jumping, either you are walking. They are cardiac muscles regular working. But voluntary muscles, whenever you want to work and they are ready to work, this is called voluntary muscles. Involuntary, they are not in our hands. They are not in our control. This is called involuntary muscles. Then We are having function and structure of respiratory system, as well as we can say circulatory system. You see, a respiratory is a process in which organism takes up oxygen and uses oxidized food substances, release carbon dioxide, water vapor, energy. Just you see, I am taking breathe inside, I am taking oxygen. Whenever I am delivering exit, water vapor, energy, this is carbon dioxide, it's the release we are from our body. Then inspiration, then expiration. Then types of respiration: internal respiration, external respiration, then aerobic respiration, then but aerobic mean we require more oxygen whenever we are playing full football match, we are playing full hockey match, even we are running 10,000 kilometer, 22 kilometers, 5 5,000 meters, I mean 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer running we are doing, then we require more oxygen. If we are running only 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, then we require oxygen. What? Less amount of oxygen we require. This is called, you can say, types of respiration. Then structure and function of respiratory system, just like what is structure? A nose we are having, then pharynx, then larynx, then trachea, bronchi, alveoli, the lungs. So these are the function. With the help of these function, we are taking breathe. Then next one is function of respiratory system, supply of oxygen to the body. Then carbon dioxide and water vapors exhalation, I mean exit. Then next one is function of lungs in our body. Compose the bronchis and alveoli, the structure of the heart we can say. Then function and structure of circulatory system. What is circulatory? You see, this is our filter plant. Heart is filter plant. From heart is filtering all water and sending to our all body parts. So this is the systematical curriculum, then polyminary curriculum. So these are circulation of blood, and this is only throughout heart. Based blood is a sideways, and purify blood. They are circulation to our body parts, so that B peoples are moving ahead. B people are living. Then location and structure and function of heart you can see from your book easily. Then next one is now we are having we come to physics now. Now earlier we were in biology. Now we are having equilibrium, dynamic and static, and center of gravity, and its application in sports. First of all, we should come to know what is equilibrium. But equilibrium, when the force acting on the body are counterbalanced by equal and opposite force, so that the sum of forces equal zero. It is called state of equilibrium. You see, I am having any object in my hand, and I am pressing both hands equally. My no hand is moving this way, no, my left hand is not moving, right hand not moving. Sustain. This is called equilibrium. I meant to say equal force is using over there on the object, and object is also not moving. This is called equilibrium. Equilibrium, we can say, is defined as a state in which the opposing forces are balanced. Suppose we are having one boy and I am having one more partner with me. We are pushing him equally, but boy is not moving. Boy is sustained because we are doing equal force. If we are having a table inside and I am pushing table from my end and you are pushing table from your end, and we are doing equal force, and table is not moving. This is called equilibrium. I mean, balance force from each other so that object is not moving. This is called equilibrium. So, types of equilibrium: static and dynamic. Static mean and dynamic mean slightly displacements. When a body is at rest, such equilibrium is referred to as static equilibrium. And when body is in moving little bit, then it is static. What natural? So this is called equilibrium and types of equilibrium. Then principles of stability and application in sports. Now we are having lower at the center of gravity to the base of support and greater of stabilities. In wrestling, you see what wrestlers are doing. They are bending themselves, spread limbs to have greater stabilities. In basketball, you can see when players stop quickly at rapid motion, spread the base of drops and center of gravity as low consent with subsequent movements. You see, whenever you are playing basketball, make a scenario in your mind. Immediately you are turning around to fake your, to cheat your opponents, and you have to cheat if you want to go to basket. Equally, immediately you are changing your position. So this is called stability and their application. Immediately, whenever you are going fast, immediately you start dribbling at your sport because opponent is in front of you. You are waiting for his movement, then you are trying to reconnect. Then this is next one is gravity, center of gravity. But a center of gravity is an imaginary point within or outside of the body or object around which body's object is balanced. This is called center of gravity. I'm in center of my body. Whenever I'm doing swimming, I am jumping. Center of gravity should be at the center. Center of gravity is a point where the object is in perfect balance. Suppose I am sitting now. Where is my center of gravity? Here. I am bending myself. Center of gravity will be at my this way, so that balance will be there. No matter how it is turned or rotated around the points. This is called center of gravity. And you can see your book. In book, I think their pages are there, and there are some charts are there. You can judge there. Actually, what is this? Then next one is application in different game and sports. This is high jump in crunch start, wrestling also, mountaineering also. We require center of gravity. So, guys, now you will appear for this topic in examination. Don't leave any question. As I told you in the beginning of my lecture, you will appear for 20 questions. Out of 20, 12 will be MCQs, and uh, 2 marks question will be there. I think nearby 4. 20 marks are there. So best of luck for that. And I will explain some question for exercise MCQs, like anatomy is a study of. We are having 4 options, just like application of principles, then study of movement, all system of human body and their mutual relationships, as well as structure, shape, size, and weight, all the organs of the body. You have to choose one. Just like we are having second question. Study of motion is known as kinesiology, biomechanics, physiology, anatomy. As we discussed, study of motion is kinesiology. And importance of anatomy and physiology is to maintain the body health, provide knowledge about our body parts, provide protection from sports injuries, all of these. Sometimes all of these are the best answer and a good answer, I mean correct answer. Sometimes all answers are simultaneously related to each other. You should think first of all. Think first, then give your answer honestly. If you will do so, your errors will be very, very less. Don't be hurry to give answer whenever you are answering, especially MCQs. This is very much important. If you tick first, then you cannot correct and no, you cannot cut afterward. So please try to understand. Then physiology refer to functioning of body, structure of body, study of muscles, as well as study of joints. This is referred to functioning of the body. Then such kind of question you have to face. So I hope you will do it. And when is your paper, Muskan? Harmanpreet, when is your paper of this chapter? Please write here. Okay, 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 okay. 3 p.m. Best of luck. Best of luck, my dears. Don't worry. You will get good marks. And one more thing I would like to add, don't go beyond the marks. Whenever you are taking marks with your own honesty, your 2 marks are equal to 20. Whenever you are taking 20 out of 20 with the unfair mean, the 0 equal to 0. Keep in mind. So be honest. Rest depend upon you. I can guide you only from here. I told you, I think before 2 3 days back in my lecture regarding my neighbors. They were doing copying over there. They were getting good marks, and today also I am giving them one paper of 20 marks. Then I will check. I will clarify with their mark sheet of school, whatever school is giving to them. In school mark sheet, they are having 95% marks. In my mark sheet, I'm in physical paper. I mean, whenever they are sitting in front of me and giving answer in front of me, that they are having sometime 17 marks out of 70, 16 marks out of 70. So today also they are coming. I call them 2 o'clock. So they will appear in front of me. Then I will check, I will cross check with their school teachers how much marks they got in their examination and in my examination. So please now start reading your book. I hope you understood this. And this is very simple chapter. In this chapter, we are having biology, in the physiology, and we are having kinesiology as well as physics also. Because this equilibrium and center of gravity, these all are the part of physics. So please be prepared properly, and you will get good marks. Best of luck for your this examination, and take care of your health also, because you see environment change now. Now we are joining winter, almost join. You see my upper now. I started before 3 4 days, and I hope you will take care of your health, because health is wealth. Without health you cannot do anything. If you are healthy, then I would say you are living your life. If you are not healthy, then you are not living your life. So try to live your life properly. I mean, balance basis. Now almost you are in grade 12. November is going on. I think most probably the month of Jan we will take your examination. Most probably, I would say. So, and in grade 12 you see you are appearing for board examination, beta. For board examination, your practical examiner will also come from outside. Your paper will check uh, from evaluators, those who are nominated by CBSE, as well as you will appear outside the school for paper physically. And I hope you will do this properly. And thank you very much. God bless you all. Best of luck for paper. Give your best.